Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the NVCS 3000 from Lego Door Super Hard Mode. So this is going to be a good one. So first off, we have to get so first off you have to get four 4 Guys, I also forgot to mention something. Like, so if you want to see more Lego creations from Roblox doors, hit the like button. So and subscribe so we can reach 100 subscribers. Without so and also turn notifications on and also subscribe to our other fellow partner feature who is Curious Spot. We recommended him in our channel and now and we're going to leave the link in the description for his channel. So we're going to show him how to make Lego lockpick from doors, how to make Crucifix, and how to make Lego flashlight. So we're going to leave the link in the description. And also subscribe to him because we both are aiming for 50 subscribers before the end of this and at the end of this month. So guys, see you next